Ever wonder why your homemade pizza never quite matches up to that of your favorite restaurant? It could well be down to the humble pizza stone. Yes, that's right. These culinary tools are not just for show. They play a vital role in achieving that perfect crispy crust we all crave. But like all good things, they need a little love and care. Think of your pizza stone as a sponge, made from ceramic or cordierite. These stones excel at withstanding high temperatures, absorbing moisture and distributing heat evenly. However, their porous nature also means they need a little more TLC than your average kitchen utensil. So, how do you keep your pizza stone in prime condition? It's all about the cool down. After each use, give your stone plenty of time to cool down completely in the oven. This isn't just about safety. Sudden temperature changes can cause your stone to crack. Once the stone has cooled, gently scrape off any remaining pizza remnants with a plastic spatula. For a more thorough clean, a stiff brush and some plain water should do the trick. But remember, avoid soap at all costs. Its chemicals can seep into the pores of your stone, affecting not only its performance, but also the taste of your pizza. But what about those pesky stains and odors? Well, stains are completely normal and won't affect your stone's functionality. For odors, a baking soda paste is your best friend. Simply apply it to the stone, let it sit for 15 minutes, then scrub gently with a brush. Rinse with water and leave it to air dry. For a deeper clean, you can use your oven's self-cleaning mode. This will burn off any residues. But be warned, this method should only be used occasionally to avoid unnecessary wear and tear on your stone. When it comes to what to avoid, the list is short but important. Soap, oil and dishwashers are all off the table. These culprits can damage your stone and hinder its performance. As for storage, the best place for your stone when it's not in use is inside the oven. It's safe and it actually helps regulate your oven's temperature. Just remember to remove it when using the broiler. So, there you have it. A little knowledge and a little care can go a long way in maintaining your pizza stone. With these tips, your stone will be a lifelong companion in your pizza-making adventures, and those restaurant-quality crusts will be within reach. Until next time, keep those pizzas coming and enjoy the delicious results of your well-maintained pizza stone.